Hello students of class 12th. Today's in my video lecture we start the first chapter of the chemistry volume first solid states. Solid states. In this chapter we provides important notes to you that is in a is very easily points. The students already you see state of matter that is three states: solid, liquid and gas. The students state of matter already see in three form: solid, liquid, gas. So in class 11th you already study gaseous states and liquid state, but in class 12 you study about solid state. What is solids, property of solids, defect in solids and some numerical value in the solids. तो स्टूडेंट्स इस चैप्टर में जो सॉलिड्स है, सॉलिड की प्रॉपर्टी, उसके जो है कि उसमें सॉलिड में डिफेक्ट्स, टाइप ऑफ सॉलिड्स, नंबर के वैल्यू ऑलरेडी यू सी इन दिस चैप्टर अबाउट सॉलिड्स. Solids. Firstly, we defines what is solids and after the property of solids. The solid is a state of matter in which the constituent particles are arranged very closely. The solids that is state of matter in which particles are very closely, such as in this way. There is no gap between particles of solids. The solid के particle that is very closely and no gaps between in them. The constituent particle can be atom, molecular, ions. The particle of solids that is molecule forms or ion form. After we see the properties of solids. Property of solids. Students, you study in previous classes, class 9 to 11th, what property of solid, liquid, gas. But in this chapter, firstly, we recalls some basic property of solids. Point first, they have different mass, volume and shape. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये जो अभी देख रहे हैं कि सॉलिड की जो डिफिट है, तो थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज, दीज थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज, मास प्रॉपर्टीज एंड वॉल्यूम प्रॉपर्टीज एंड शेप प्रॉपर्टीज, दीज प्रॉपर्टी हैव डिफिनिट. ये सभी प्रॉपर्टी डिफिनिट होते हैं. पॉइंट सेकेंड्स, दे आर नॉन कंपाउंड्स, they are non-compressible and rigid. सॉलिड को हम कंप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. जैसे कंप्रेस मीन्स किसी को अगर हम प्रेस करते हैं तो उसका शेप में चेंज आता है, तो उसको हम कंप्रेसिबल कहते हैं. बट सॉलिड आर नॉन कंप्रेसिबल. सॉलिड कंप्रेसिबल नहीं है. अगर इसको हम प्रेस करते हैं तो सॉलिड कैन नॉट चेंज इट्स शेप, दैट इज नॉन कंप्रेसिबल. And rigid, solid that is rigid, solid that is hard properties, because the atoms of molecules of solids are very closely. Point third, intermolecular distance are very short and hence the intermolecular forces. The solids, atoms of solids are very close. The intermolecular spaces are very short due to the reason of intermolecular forces. तो स्टूडेंट्स इस पे क्वेश्चन कभी कभी पुट अप होते हैं कि वाई द पार्टिकल ऑफ सॉलिड आर वेरी क्लोजेस ड्यू टू द intermolecular forces. The solids are very closely packed. Next property, property fourth, Their constitutes particle have fixed positions. Sand can only oscillate about their mean positions. तो their constitute particle have fixed positions. Solid की property position are fixed. Sand only sands in the objections can only oscillates about their mean position. तो sand that is solid property but sands oscillates in mean position, that is a exceptional points. So new topics about solids. Classification of solids on the basis of arrangement of constituent particles. The students, we see the classification of solids on the basis of arrangement of constituent particles. So constituent particle you see in the figures two types. Figure first and figure second. Students, you see in this figure, what are you concludes in about this figure? So you see in figure first, suppose it is figure first and figure second. So in figure first you see the regular arrangement of atoms, and in figure second you see the irregular arrangement of atoms. So you can solids are regular arrangement atoms and irregular arrangement of atoms. That is two form. Name it regular arrangement of atom, that is crystalline solids, and irregular arrangement, that is amorphous solids. So on the basis of arrangement of particles, solids are two types, that is crystalline solids and amorphous solids. In crystalline solids, the atoms are regular arrangements, and in amorphous solids, the particles of solids are irregular arrangements. So we see the property of crystalline solids. Point first, they have definite geometrical shape. So crystalline particles have definite geometrical shape. Already you see in these figures, that is regular geometry shapes. Okay. Point second, they have a long range orders. Next point, they have a sharp melting points. The crystalline solid has sharp melting points. That is important points, and note downs. Next points, they are anisotropic in nature. That is means that is their physical property show different values when measured along different direction in the same crystals. तो एनिसोट्रॉपिक नेचर जो आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि एनिसोट्रॉपिक नेचर क्या होता है. एनिसोट्रॉपिक नेचर मीन्स physical properties show different value when measured along different directions in the same crystal. तो सेम क्रिस्टल में अगर क्रिस्टल एक ही है और क्रिस्टल के डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन से अगर मेजर करते हैं तो मेजरमेंट्स में भी फाइंड दैट इज डिफरेंट वैल्यू, दैट इज एनिसोट्रॉपिक्स नेचर्स. Next points, they have a definite characteristic heat of fusions. The crystalline solids have definite and characteristic heat of fusions. Next point, they are called true solids. Crystalline solids also known as true solids. Next points, when cut with sharp edges tools. They split into two pieces and surface are plain and smooth. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जो क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स है, अगर उसको हम जो है शार्प एजेस टूल से उसको कट करते हैं तो दे स्प्लिट्स इनटू टू पीसेस, तो वह जो है टू पीसेस में स्प्लिट हो जाता है, ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है। एंड सरफेस आर प्लेन एंड स्मूथ, और उसके सरफेस जो कट पीस होते हैं, सरफेस दैट इज स्मूथ। हाँ स्टूडेंट्स, यू सी इन द फिगर एनिसोट्रॉपिक नेचर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स, that is direction A and B, same solids, and direction C and D, that is different shape, different size in different directions, that is anisotropic natures. Polymorphic form of polymorphs. The different crystalline form of substance are known as polymorphic form or polymorph. For example, graphite and diamonds. So students, already you know about graphite and diamonds. These are allotropic natures of carbon. That is also known as polymorphic. Polymorphic means more than one form. That is polymorphic. So students, in this video we explain what is solids and property of solids and crystalline solid, amorphous solids, arrangement of atom in crystalline solids and arrangement of atom in amorphous solids. In crystalline solid you see the regular arrangements, and in amorphous solids you see the irregular arrangements of atom. So students, in this video the given topics, that is important points, you also see, learn and write in your copy. So thanks.